Hey guys, today I'll be doing an unboxing of my 3B. So let's get started. First off, I got the Pure Source Cells Sheet Mask in bamboo. So that's that. Can't wait to try that. And this is by Misha. Next off, we got the Secret Key Starting Treatment Eye Cream. And that's that. So. This eye cream helps the sensitive skin around our eyes maintain elasticity and vitality. It smooths wrinkles, nourishes the skin, and increases radiance around the eyes. Next off, got the Tony Moly. This is cute packaging, by the way. It's a heart. And that. Okay. So, it's Tony Moly Delight Tony Mint Tint. So, whoa. It smells like candy. Like fruity. But yeah, I'll definitely be using that. Cool lipstick. Cool. And then the last thing is Riri Luxe Eyelash Essence. And this is mascara. It's very plain and simple. Ooh, I've never seen something like that before. That's pretty cool. I'll give this a try. And that's it for this month's 3B. And I'll talk to you guys in another video. Bye guys.